Fat and Exhausted is not on the menu today, but my new song is, that's for sure. It's called Open Up. Gypsy Swisher. Here it is. Here's my song. Life from a grain of salt, said your friend as he helped you up. And as he stepped towards you, lend his hand, he said, in time I will find out answers to all your questions now. You're justified in your ways. Justify what you say. Never forget who you are. Never forget things you've seen. Never forget the things I've done. Never forget things you've done. Time could patch this up. Your love could tear you apart. Feeling inside you, it keeps you here. Life goes down right in front of you. So open up your mind to another point of view. Life goes down right in front of you. So open up your eyes tonight. As long as I can remember, we're here to celebrate the dead, celebrate beginnings, celebrate the end. As long as I can remember, 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 life goes down right in front of you. Open up your mind to another point of view. Life goes down